The Sutra of Ksitigarbha's original vow. The Buddha said to Manjushri, by way of analogy, suppose that each blade of grass, tree, forest, rice plant, hemp stalk, bamboo, reed, mountain, rock, and mote of dust in a 3,000 great thousand-world system were a Ganges river. Then suppose that each grain of sand in each of those Ganges rivers were a world, and that each mote of dust in each of these worlds were an eon. Then suppose each mote of dust accumulated in each of these eons were itself an eon. The time elapsed since Earth's Door Bodhisattva was certified to the position of the 10th ground is 1,000 times longer than that in the above analogy. Even longer was the time he dwelled on the levels of Sound Hearer and Pratyeka Buddha. Manjushri, the awesome spiritual strength and vows of this bodhisattva are inconceivable. If good men or women in the future hear this bodhisattva's name, praise him, behold and bow to him, call his name, make offerings to him, or if they draw, carve, cast, sculpt, or make lacquered images of him, such people will be reborn in the heaven of the 33 100 times, and will never fall into the evil paths. Manjushri, indescribably many eons ago, during the time of a Buddha named Lion Sprint Complete in the 10,000 practices thus come one, Earth's Door Bodhisattva, Mahasattva, was the son of a great elder. That elder's son, upon observing the Buddha's hallmarks and fine features, and how the 1,000 blessings adorned him, asked that Buddha what practices and vows made him so magnificent. Lion Sprint Complete in the 10,000 practices thus come one, then said to the elder's son, if you wish to have a body like mine, you must first spend a long time liberating beings who are undergoing suffering. Manjushri, that comment caused the elder's son to make a vow. From now until the ends of future time throughout uncountable eons, I will use expansive, expedient means to help beings in the 6 paths who are suffering for their offenses. Only when they have all been liberated will I myself become a Buddha. From the time he made that great vow in the presence of that Buddha until now, hundreds of thousands of nayutas of expressively many eons have passed, and still he is a bodhisattva. Another time, inconceivable asamkhya eons ago, there was a Buddha named Enlightenment Flower Samadhi Self-Mastery King thus come one. That Buddha's lifespan was 400 million asamkhya eons.